The world of evolution is dynamic, constantly adapting and transforming in response to new challenges and opportunities that are beyond the defined boundaries. And Japan is one such prime example of modern innovations that outshine the globe and emerge as truly influential. In a harmonious blend where ancient traditions and modern innovations come together, Japan has unquestionably set a benchmark that's unmatched and unparalleled. The hierarchy and the workforce have created a buzz and raised the bar in the realm of mechanism and work process. The spectrum of culture, complete discipline, and sheer perfection. Japan, the land of the rising sun, is not just a place, but a testament to the unbreakable spirit of its people. Fueled by the same determination and a relentless work ethic, ignited by sharp minds and sheer brilliance, we at HDFC Bank have achieved extraordinary feats in banking services coupled with technology. We build a business that puts its customers always first. Our drive for success is unmatched and our commitment to the future is unwavering. Welcome to the rising world of prowess and revolution, where one can discover the power of synergy. We are HDFC Bank.